How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Oh, he's on training. Can you show us the way?
Yes, indeed.
How's your morning?
Really nice. It's really pleasant.
This is the...
This is the big.
Okay.
Yeah, I was getting all this moldy crap on here, and I was trying to clean it, but this is still just pretty
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So you paid 260 already for the part?
282.
282 and 240 for the labor.
Okay, 240.
Yep.
Can I give you guys some Pepsi?
Sure. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Сдохну где-нибудь по пути, блядь. Хардатак какой-нибудь. It's all done.
Oh, you guys are...
This is your old one, and the other one is the... Да, если уже помирать, так ладно, похуй. Ты скажешь, что я его замочил, нахуй.
Цену за работу ты придумал чисто просто. Я просто пытаюсь понять.
Смотри, за работу, это сколько ты оценишь? Ты можешь $5 заработать. Сколько ты заработаешь? Но минимум $180 надо за работу брать, 100%. Минимально. Okay, perfect, thank you. So if you have any questions, just let me know.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright, let me give you a fresh can, because you're leaving most of your drink here.
That's all for me, actually.
Oh, really?
I don't drink
That's
coffee.
the European in you. You
Yeah,
don't like the
I don't
ice.
like too much ice.
It's the American in me. I like tons of ice.
Okay, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure.